Wait, this is Mrs. V's lipstick and makeup. She never went anywhere without this stuff. She never went anywhere without that hat. That's me. She never went anywhere without me. If everything you love is in the back of this truck, then where are you?